Hello YouTube and the tribes of the horror realm. It's been a long time since I did a video. Well, maybe not. I did do the entry into Tyler Preston's video, but we are almost moved in. We still have a lot to do. Basically have all our stuff here, but now we just gotta start to unpack stuff. But anyhow, I had ordered this a while back from Amazon. Excuse me, and I'm going to open it up and see how we do. And I'm sure we'll keep our fingers crossed, because as our buddy Jeff 74 Poker knows, sometimes when you order from Amazon, you don't always get what you really wanted. Tough to do with one hand. Oh, yeah, we got a cat too, and shipped to us by Amazon. You know, they come up with all these intricate traps to capture cats and outdoors and all they really need to do is throw out a friggin' cardboard box and that'll bring them in. So, here is the item, which I actually did a video about a long time ago, and someone even called me on saying, BS, that's never even coming out. So I don't know if he's even seen this video, but at this point, who's laughing now, buddy? Yep, that is the limited edition Walking Dead complete season 2 4-disc box set. The Screwdriver Zombie. There's the other side of the box. Trying to do this kind of like how a collectible guy would do, you know, just showing you all aspects of this thing, because he does such a tremendous job in reviewing product. And here's the other side of the box. Now, let's see if we can get this open, and hopefully, God willing, it's in decent enough shape. And there is the Blu-ray box set. You know, a lot of these cats from this show are on the horror convention circuit, and I gotta say, they are just milking everybody for what it's worth. I mean, honestly, $30 to get Chandler Riggs to sign. They're all 30. Even Dale back here, he was, I think, in the last convention, 30 for his signature and 20 for a picture, or 40 if you bought a picture and a autograph, which is kind of ridiculous, but Alright, so here it is, packaged pretty good. And it's not a bad size. It's not exactly to scale, you can see. But overall, it's not a bad little bust. Now, if you had pre-ordered this, you could have gotten it from Amazon for about, oops, sorry about the shaky cam, about $65. So we got pretty good detail. Obviously the back of the head, so it'll be able to function opening up and down. You can see from this here, there's some flexibility to it. It's like, it feels like it's a latex that's been laid over a piece, and then, which I'm sure it is, and then glued up to it. Here's said screwdriver. There we go. Screwdriver in the eyeball. Now let's see if this thing will even open up. Slides right in. And down. A little hollow in the bottom there. But still not bad, pretty cool, and it came in one piece. In pretty good shape. It was, as you can see, they certainly packed it pretty well. It was in a separate, its own separate box here, and then shipped in one other box. Don't sell before August 28th. Severe penalties for street day violation. Well, it got released yesterday and it came to us today, so that's the piece that we've all been waiting for. Well, alright, maybe just some Walking Dead people. So, anyways, that's the video for now. I've run on too long, and hopefully we'll get this place settled in real soon, and we'll be back to interacting with the community real soon. We miss talking to all you guys, so hopefully we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.